the Helpful Lockpicker here, and this is a challenge lock that was sent to me by RDecline on Reddit, and it's called the Virgo. I'm not sure who made it. I don't believe RDecline made it, because they were sending it out to me, and we'll see what it takes to get this lock open. Alright, here's some information on it. Virgo lock, video picking gut on the other Matt's channel. So it looks like the other Matt's picked this before. And here's the lock. And then there's a key inside. Let's try to get some of that out of the way. Alright, so this looks like it's a quick set lock, which is pretty cool, and it's got a working key. The key doesn't appear to want to go clockwise, so we'll try to pick it. I'm sorry, I said that backwards. Doesn't want to go counterclockwise, but it seems like it's happy with going clockwise. So I'm going to attempt to get this open. I'm going to try top of the keyway tension and 50 thousandths, because that is typically my approach with a quick set here, and 25 thousandths standard hook. And not quite sure, let's see what's going on in the back, but let's see if we can get this open. Looks like this is a Brinks brand quick set. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3. I got a little bit of a false set. 4, 5. One. Click on 2, 3, click on 4, and we'll click on 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. We've got a good little false set. See what we can do to set the last pin here. Okay, got a bigger false set. Let's see what we're held up on here. 1 feels good. 2 feels pretty good. 3, 4, 5's giving me counter rotation, and I have lost my false set. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, click. 3 feels alright. 4. Okay, we're open. Alright, so thank you to RDecline for sending this, and cool that the other Matt has picked this as well. I apologize, I don't remember who made this lock. It was sent out to me a while ago, and I just don't remember. I'm so sorry. So this looks like it's a Brinks brand. Looks like they've must have done something up in the Bible, because it's all taped up here. I'm assuming they took it apart and were afraid to get it back together here. And I'm going to do my best to figure out how to take this apart without breaking it. It looks like it's got a C-clip on the back there, but it's all taped up. I'm not sure what's going on here, but I'm gonna try to get the C-clip off the back here. And alright, I'm gonna just go ahead and lock this back up just so I don't need to worry about the plug spinning around here. Alright, there we are. There we are. That took long enough. Alright, now let's find the key and get this lock gutted. I think I should probably use a shim on this one. But I don't see any, so let's just see what happens. Okay, we got it out. Alright, so let's see what we got for key pin 1 here. That's a pretty cool serrated looking key pin. Two's like a spool. Three's a serrated looking key pin. 4's like a little nub, little spool. 5's like a little spool one. Not seeing any obvious threading. Now let's see what's upstairs here. That looks like a piece of a screw. This is a really narrow spool. Looks like a I think this was like a pin and pin kind of deal in 3. The springs aren't wanting to come out. I'll deal with them after. Let's see. 4 is a narrow spool. Five looks like a piece of a screw as well. And I'm going to do my best here to get these springs out in order here. But they don't seem like they want to come out. I'm just gonna get out what we can. There they are. They all look like they use the same springs anyway. So this is the Virgo challenge locks. Pretty cool. I'm gonna look under my light here and see if they not seeing any obvious threading or anything. But this is a pretty cool challenge lock. Thank you again for sending it my way. I'll get you a close-up of the pinning in a minute. But what I'm seeing here right now is nice serrated key pen, nice spool key pen, serrated key pen, spool and spool. Then this looks like a piece of a screw, a nice spool, some sort of pin and pin, a spool, and then another piece of a screw. The pin and pin, let's see, goes together. No, actually I lied. That looks like it's just a cap to the T-pen, so that they made a trap pen is what it looks like here, so the lock could get trapped. I see what they were doing here. Luckily I didn't fall into that trap, so when the correct key is inserted, the cap will be at the top here and it will not get stuck. But if you're trying to pick the lock, it will get into a false set that the lock will not be able to get out of, and that must be why the top of this lock is taped up so you can take it apart if you have to. That was a pretty cool idea. I've seen several people implement that with the construction keying, so that must be what is going on here. And well, pretty well thought out, cool lock. Thank you so much, RDecline, for sending this my way. I had a lot of fun with it, and if anyone's interested in trying this lock out, feel free to let me know. Please leave any questions or suggestions in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video and you'd like to see more like it, please subscribe. As always, thank you so much for checking it out, and I hope you have a great day. Thank you.